Welcome back. Today, we're breaking down the new era of thieving, where the real capital is being made in the Memecoin launching market. We aren't just talking about basic. Today, we'll talk about how to make thousands of dollars by thieving Memecoin. Today, I'll show you my $1 million worth blueprint where we go through step by step, and I'll suggest you not to skip a single second of this video, because it will be a $0 to $100,000 course without wasting any time. Let's get started. Look at the screen, $5.3 million in my Phantom wallet. I'm not showing you this to flex or anything. I'm just showing you because I stopped staring at trading charts and started actually building. I've transitioned from a trader to a dev, and honestly, the results speak for themselves. Stick around because I'm breaking down the exact launch strategy I'm using right now. I'm not just showing you a wallet, I'm showing you the exact blueprint for launching the coin and actually pulling profit from it today. First, we have to find a platform that actually brings the buyers to you. Then we hit the market with the right tools. I've narrowed it down to 2 strategies. Honestly, go the only 2 you need right now. I'll walk you through the launch, how to set your liquidity so the token actually shows up on people's radars, and then I'm dropping a promotion platform that is a total game changer. So we're going to track the live buys as they hit the chain, and then I'll show you the most important part, how to actually secure your profit. Don't skip a second of this. And this video is purely for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, so please, bro, just do your own research. So first things first, what's the actual difference between Pump.Fun and Radium, and where should you be launching? If you're wondering why your launches are stalling, look at this photon feed. The Pump.Fun volume is so saturated that you're basically invisible the moment you hit deploy. The meta has shifted. When we flip the filter to Radium, the signal to noise ratio completely changes. You're seeing quality over quantity. This gives your community time to actually find you and your chart time to breathe. My strategy is simple. Stop competing in the lottery on Pump.Fun and start building on Radium, where the sticky liquidity lives. Why are people losing money in Memecoins? Via creator or still buying people Memecoins? Choice is up to you. Now listen, most of you aren't losing money because you're bad at the charts. You're losing because you're playing a rigged game. You buy into a moonshot, you pray for a pump, and then you get liquidated by the dev who actually built the play. In that scenario, you aren't a trader, you're just an exit liquidity. In 2026, the meta has shifted. Trading is a gamble, deving is a business. It costs almost nothing to launch a coin right now. So why would you keep betting on someone else's vision when you can be the one in control? You decide when to scale, when to take profit, and when to pivot. It's time to stop being the audience and start being the house. It's going to be insane. Look, I'm moving away from Pump.Fun because it's just too saturated right now. Coins are dropping every second, and the dark side of Pump.Fun is that you cannot manage your liquidity, and their liquidity fees are too much. But I'm launching on Radium to actually get eyes on the project and hit a real market cap. There are 2 strategies for launching a meme coin. The first strategy is manual creation, in which you have to find a narrative on social media, just like X and any other platform. In my eyes, there are so many tools for this, but I'm really impressed with the results of launchmeme.fun because every coin there hits Radium instantly. That's exactly why people are gatekeeping this site. Now, you can build from scratch by going to the main page of this site, which is Create Coin tab. Once you find your nowadays viral meme coin narrative, then bring it back here, pick a name, a ticker, and an image, and click Next. It's that simple. But the second strategy is to copy a trending coin, like one that is already performing in the market. Let me clear you, on this site you can see the copy trending coin tab, click it and look. Every coin on this tab already has a working narrative. They're going viral and pulling massive volume on Pump.Fun. The play here is to bridge that viral narrative over to Radium. Let's run a live example so you can see exactly how much this method pulls in. First, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected. Hit refresh and look for a decent market cap coin. I'm going with this one, Lobstar. Let's hit copy to Radium. Wait for the Phantom window to pop up. Just ignore the block, it's normal. It's almost showing this on every site. Hit proceed and the I understand and click confirm. Now we just give it a second to breathe and boom. If I click view on SolScan, you can see it was minted 10 seconds ago. It's live. Everything's working perfectly on the chain. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this part is actually easier to do than it is to explain. This is where we create the Radium liquidity pool. It's very straightforward. Basically, by creating the pool here, we own the supply in our wallet before anyone else, and it launches straight to Radium. For the amount of Lobstar coin, I'm hitting 90%. That's going to drop 900 million tokens. Step 2 is the initial pair. This is your first buy, the very first transaction on your own coin. I'm putting in 3 SOL, you can add whatever you want. And remember, you aren't losing this money. When you cash out later, the SOL you put in for the supply comes right back into your Phantom wallet. Let's hit create pool. Wait for the wallet to pop up. Ignore the block warning, as I tell you it's showing on every site. So just hit proceed and click I understand and then confirm. Done. Now your token is open for trade. After that, bro, when that is done, then scroll down and boom, the Lobstar coin is now live and your profits are going to be right there. And if you click on the refresh button, you can see your metrics. For example, right now, within a couple of seconds, we're up $117. Now, click on view on Photon. Our token is live and gaining some good profits, but to add spice to the token, I'm going to use a quick promotion tool which boosts the token. So head over to Memecoins.fun. Forget about wasting hours manually posting. This site gets you instant exposure on Dex Screener, GMGN, and Bird Eye automatically. Let's do it live. Connect your Phantom wallet, paste your token address, and choose your promotion. I'm going with the advanced 0.5 SOL option for maximum reach. Now toggle include 3 website. This is huge. Upload your logo, set your token name. I'll call this Lobstar, select Radium, and hit confirm. Click pay and promote, approve the transaction, and you are done. Now just watch. It's creating a professional website and promoting your token to thousands of traders at the exact same time. And boom, website ready. Let's check it out. In seconds, you have a live landing page with tokenomics and real-time chart links ready for investors. So jump back to your Photon and see the live chart of your token. If I have to guess, I think we're up around 5,000 or 6,000 bucks. Dang, bro. So many people are buying in. That's exactly what we like to see as devs. Oh my god, bro. More people are buying in. I think we're up like $14,000 right now. Okay, we know that's actually insane. We made this coin for literally some dollars and just hit 30,000 market cap. This is insane. If the meme is hot, then you can cash out good money now. A bunch of people are buying in. That's exactly why people are saying that deving is the new meta. Anyways, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to marinate and for it to pump. When I come back, we will cash out. I will show you guys how. All right, guys, I am back and bang, bro. We are up to a $44,000 market cap, and it has only been like a couple of minutes. Like, it has been like 5 minutes, and it's already up a lot. Now, I think I'm going to, dump it. So come back to launchmeme.fun real quick, and then click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see here, bro, we are going to receive around $32,000. It does change. The coin could go down or higher. So yeah, now click on the minus button really fast. Do 100% remove liquidity. Wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up and then ignore the block. Click on perceive, confirm, or understand. Confirm and boom, bro. That's exactly how you dev a coin and then cash out. But look, if I open my Phantom wallet, I received the money, $32,532, and it's 378 SOL in my Phantom. Now, bro, do not get me wrong. Okay, the results will vary from one to the other. All websites which I use in this video will be linked in the comments, and good luck to everyone who gonna make coin. Trying to get started but don't have the dev fee? I got you. I'm sending 1 SOL to 10 winners to help you take your first step. To enter, subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment down below.